Good morning, party people. It's a brand new day, Saturday morning. It is day 2 of the Fitness Expo down here in Sydney. We're at City Gym this morning, just gonna get a quick little pump in before we head down to the Expo. So we got the new man behind the lens here. Tristan's here helping us today. So we'll hopefully get some fun vlog action out of this and come along for the ride. We're gonna have a good day. Let's go. Gains, purple gains right now. Thank you to the guys at City Gym in Sydney. As I said, we love coming here. It's our home away from home. We're done for this morning's workout. Gonna head back to the hotel now, get changed, head to the Expo. Let's go. Well, we're here, just past, heading into the convention center. The exhibition doesn't open for like another half hour. Gives us time to kind of get in, help set up some stuff for the day. We left Lee and Lane to go off to Kmart and buy a clothing rail, as we forgot to get something to display our milestone shirts on. So they're going and buying that right now, and we'll go in and set up. Welcome to the Fitness Expo. Okay, so today we're running a pull-up competition. We're doing this all weekend, I know what I'm saying, just today. The rules are strict pull-ups. So, you can do pronated or supinated, doesn't matter. The only cue is you must lock out at the bottom and chin above bar. So, the prizes are, you get 10 straight, you get a peak chocolate, you get 20 straight, you get peak chocolate and a shaker, and 30 straight, you get a 12 pack of chocolate, you get a shaker and a t-shirt. So only one person yesterday made 30 straight, and then he just walked away. He wasn't even care about the prize, I think he just wanted to like show that he could do it. So today, the whole reason we're just trying to hype people up, have fun with them, get them involved, do some giveaways. As I said, we're running late with the merch. That's gonna be running along the side here. We've got our brand new Good Morning Party People shirts. We got the metal tanks. It's gonna be a good day. I'm so excited. I'm in good spirits. My voice is holding up, so we'll see how we're going by the end of the day. Hey, we're waving David. We're gonna get a good morning party, people. Good morning party, people. I love that. I haven't seen it. So one of my lesser known skills in life is my ability to do flat pack furniture. I'm actually very good at flat pack furniture. I know that's not much of a boast, but that's all I've got. I can put things together okay. Look at that! I was born to do this. Now it just falls apart on me. I screwed his pellet. No, we're all good, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's a video.
This is the update. It's just Lee's bicep. It is a video. Yeah, it is. So, just give you a quick update on where we're at today. It's actually been amazing. So many people coming up, taking photos, saying hi, getting involved with the pull-up competition. Had one guy hit 30 pull-ups straight so far, which is pretty impressive. We're still going. It's almost 12, so I'm a bit hungry now, but we're gonna persevere, keep going, have fun, loving the good vibes. So, hope you guys are enjoying it too. beach on the far side of the expo. I'm about to run through a military-inspired workout with Cedric McMillan. We're gonna clear out the space here, get some room to get around, and then run the guys through this military workout. Cedric is actually in the military, so we're gonna let him take charge. Very cadence-driven workouts, all body weight. See if the guys can keep up. See if I can keep up. Okay, everyone, come on in. You know you want to come get a workout in. Volunteer right here. Hey, come on in, my mate. We can take as many as want to come in here. There's plenty of floor space. Come on in, join us here. So, we figured for this, we're going to go off Cedric's background in the military. Work on a very cadence-driven workout here. So we can go through 8 movements, nothing too complex, all based on body weight. These are movements that Cedric uses in the US military to get people ready, warmed up and active. So we go from the very beginning warm-ups right through some more advanced stuff to see how you guys keep up. Are you excited? That's what I want. One person excited. What are we running you guys through this morning? What are we starting with?
Well, in the Army we call this team building exercise. And sometimes we use this for disciplinary reasons, like when you get your ass in trouble because you did something wrong, then we use this kind of exercise to smoke it. And what we mean by smoke is when you finish, you smoke. One of the key parts of military style training, now you got a lot of imposters out here that says, oh, this is boot camp, this is military training. But one of the most important parts of military style training is for the crew to exercise and do the activities together. Alright, so first part about this, making sure we get proper distance between each other. So if you're getting in a line, basically, if you're in a line now, this line is called a squad, okay? This is a squad. So this group up front, we're gonna call you first squad, okay? And this will be second squad. Now what you gotta do is you gotta have a double arm interval. So you put your hands up, you want fingertips touching, okay? Because we're doing every repetition, every part of every exercise together. In order for us to do that, one word that we use in the military for tempo or for pace is called cadence. C-A-D-E-N-C-E, cadence. Okay, now, in order for us to do this right and together, we gotta stay on cadence. The exercise we're gonna do again is the bend and bridge. Bend and bridge! Start position, move, get into start position. In cadence. In cadence. Exercise. Break. Break. Don't touch the ground. Everybody take both your hands and snap your stomach. Snap it. Get your feet off the ground. Feet up, don't touch it. All right, here we go. Palms on the ground. Now, don't touch the ground. And up. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3.
That's it, we wrapped up. Lee, how are you feeling? I just put him through hell, gassed, smoked, as Cedric would say. So, it was all about teamwork. We made sure the guys went until they all did it as one. It was good fun. The crowd enjoyed it. Now back to the booth. That's it, we're done. We're out of here. Saturday is done. Today was fun. I am so tired. I haven't had a break. This is my worst thing I do at expos, meet and greets. I forget to eat. It's like something like, oh, you were doing this, so you're gonna take a photo, so I want to come back and say hi. And so I go, okay, that's fine, I'll wait here for the next hour. And so it's now 4:30 in the afternoon, I haven't eaten yet. And that's okay. It means I can eat some big dinner tonight. We're gonna go to Burger Place and enjoy that. Back at it again tomorrow. See you guys there.